Good morning, children. Today's date is 12th October 2020 and today's day is Monday. In our literacy class today we are going to learn a new sound. The sound is J and the name of this letter is J. Yes, so just last week we learned how to write capital J. Yes, and I asked you to leave writing the lowercase j part, but many of you did write. So today we'll officially learn how to write lowercase sound J as well. So first let us look at few pictures of objects that begin with the sound J. Yeah, as in J, jump. You all love to jump, yes? Jump. Then we have J, jar. J, jelly. J, jam. Yes? So listen to the initial sound. They are all beginning with the sound J, as in juice. J, jellyfish. Jackal. Jacket. Jet. Jeans. Jupiter. So this is the name of a planet. Just like the planet that we stay on is called Earth. There is one more planet. There are many planets. Yes. So name of one more planet starts with the sound J, and that is Jupiter. Yes. And then we have Jaguar. It's the name of a car, and it's the name of an animal as well. Okay. So these are few objects that begin with the sound J. Jar, jelly, jam, juice, jellyfish, jackal, jacket, jet, jeans. And here both the capital and the lowercase letters written in the printed format. Yes, so we learned how to write it in our school agreed script, the capital J, and today we'll learn how to write lowercase sound J.